What's good, everybody? It looks like the Nike Air Foamposite 1 in that cough drop colorway is dropping at the end of this month. Let's take a look. They are officially dropping on the Nike Sneakers app September 30th. Retail price is that hefty $240 that they charge us for the Foamposites in the year of 2025. Very expensive, but I do love the cough drops. I'm sure you guys heard it 10,000 times. I used to hoop in these, so I do have fond memories of this shoe. Not going to be a cop for me for the collection, but definitely a dope shoe. Let me know if you guys plan on picking up a pair of the cough drop foams.